Is the world climate changing? Are we responsible for that change? If so, what is the actual human contribution for that change? For the last 30 years, a group of scientists, most of them respectful scholars, have been trying to convince people that world's climate are dramatically warming and mankind are responsible for that change. In fact, there are some evidences suggesting that burning fossil fuels and deforesting can drive profound changes in climate process, leading to warmer average temperatures, extreme weather events, rise of sea levels, floods, droughts, etc. In order to provide evidences for those prognostics, researchers have been looking for supporting data from meteorological stations around the world, as well as proxy evidences such as information from tree rings, ice cores, and geological sediments. They search for past information about temperature, moisture, and atmosphere composition. The acquired data is used to feed computer models created to simulate Earth's climate. Those models are planned to fit current observed trend, as well as forecast future climate status. However, things are not going well to those models. Although models barely match the observation for some time, thermometers have been telling a different story for the last 13 or 14 years. Atmospheric CO2 concentration keeps rising, but global temperatures have not been rising together, in contradiction to those models. This fact don't necessarily deny global warming hypothesis, but suggests the need for its revision. Some researchers state that the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere is too small to exert any significant effect on the global climate. They state that water vapor is the most powerful infrared absorber. Due to its physical characteristics, water vapor plays a complex and fundamental role in the Earth's climate. There are other natural phenomena that can better explain climate behavior. In fact, there are many evidences that global climate was warmer and colder in the past. Those variations can be easily correlated with many natural cycles, such as solar cycle, North Atlantic Oscillation, North Pacific Oscillation, and the famous El Niño Southern Oscillation. The overlap of those cycles can generate complex climatic patterns, and any supposed human influence would be negligible, say the critics. Many scholars who previously supported the global warming hypothesis have been rethinking their position. Many reports about bad quality data acquisition and data manipulation in a chain of events known as ClimateGate are casting doubt over the global warming hypothesis. After 14 years of missing correlation between hypothesis and observation, it is time for changing methodologies, revising data, establishing unifying procedures, and above all, stopping bias and prejudice. It is possible that human activities are really changing the planet's climate. However, the current hypothesis does not provide appropriate support for proper comprehension of climate phenomena.